Hi everyone, I'm Pranali from Robotics. So today we are going to learn about one of the most important topic, which is node. So nodes is like a little program, okay? It's like a doing specific job on your robot, like controlling wheels, reading sensors, or making decisions. So first we'll try to understand the ROS2 graph. So ROS2 is designed as a distributed system where many small programs called nodes run simultaneously and communicate with each other. Okay. So this network of nodes and their communication links is called ROS2 graph. Okay. So imagine a city map where each building is a node, and roads between them are communication channels, and together all these nodes and channels form a network where data flows continuously, and this graph lets different parts of the robot software work together in a flexible way. Okay, so in ROS2 the graph includes uh, nodes, topics, services, and actions. So nodes is like an independent program that perform a specific task. Topics is a channels for nodes nodes to publish and subscribe the streams of data, as you can see in the image. And services, which is a request response communication for immediate actions, and actions which is for a longer running tasks with the feedbacks. Okay, so over the next tutorials you will explore this concept step by step, but first let's get a understanding of the node themselves. So you can see in the image the node is a program, okay, which is like a doing them specific work. Okay, so node is like each node should ideally focus on one or modular job or responsibility, as you can see in this image. Okay, one node might publish a sensor data from laser scanner, another node might control the robot wheel, another might process the sensor data and decide where to move. So in ROS2, a single executable like a program can contain one or more nodes. So that means your program might be running multiple nodes under the hood. So the beauty of this modular approach is that you can develop, test, and run each part of your robot system independently, then connect them together. Okay, so now we'll going to the task sections. So the first command to know is ROS2 run. This launches an executables from ROS2 package. So the syntax is ROS2 run. Here it is package name, executable name. So to start the turtle sim graphical window, I'll run this. Okay. Um, in the previous tutorials, we have learned about the turtle sim. Okay. So turtle sim is the package, and turtle sim node is the executable inside that package. Once you run this, a new window with a turtle appears, but at this point, okay, at this point you don't yet know the actual node name. ROS2 uses this internally. That's what we'll find out next. Okay, now I'll just to see the what nodes are running currently active in our system, we'll use the ROS2 node list. Okay, okay, this turtle sim window, this node is actively running, so I can see the name. So now this shows that the node name turtle sim is running. Okay, now we'll open another terminal and run this command, and it will launch the teleoperation node, which lets you control the turtle from the keyboard. Okay, so now again I'll run this, and you will see turtle sim, which is for this node, and teleop turtle, which is for this node. So these two ROS2 nodes are running, one for the turtle simulation and one is for the teleoperation controller. Okay, so now remapping. Okay, So remapping, sometimes you want to change the default name, okay, of nodes or topics. So these are my node names. Okay, this is my first node, this is my second node, and these are running, so I can see like which nodes are my running in the terminal, so I can see it with the ROS2 node list. So these two nodes are running correctly, but this is the default name, okay, of node or a topics. But what if I want to change it? So this is called remapping. So we can change the default name of topics or nodes. For example, if you want to run another turtle sim node but give it a custom name, you can do this, okay. So as you can see here, if I run this will start a new turtle sim node but with the name my turtle, okay, instead of turtle sim. So let's, okay, this is for the first and this is for the second window. So I'll again run. So now you can see I can change my name, like I can set it as I want, okay. So you have now these three nodes, each uniquely identified. So I'll tell you why remap, okay. If you want to run multiple nodes of the same type without confusion, remapping helps, okay. You can also remap topics or services names so your nodes talk on different channels. So remapping is like a changing the nicknames of player in a game so you can easily tell them apart, okay. So now we'll understand, okay. Once you know the node names, you can explore what each node does and how it connects with others, okay, using this. So as you see the node name, so you can just take any of the node name and check it with this command. So I'll check it with my turtle. Okay, so now you will get the details like this, okay. These are the details, okay. So subscriber, in the details you have subscribers, that topics this node listens to, okay. Then you have a publishers, like a topics this node sends data on. Then you have a services this node offers, functions it can perform when asked, then actions that it can perform, long running goals with feedback. So you'll get a details about subscriber, publisher, like this node is listened to what, then this node sends to data on which, then services this node offers. So this type of data you can see it with this your specific node, okay. Subscriber, you can see publisher. So likewise you can see, so your node, what these means your node listens for velocity commands on turtle1 and command1. So it publishes its position and offers services, okay, or changing this pane color. So try running this same command node to see with the teleop turtle by yourself. Try running this command with this turtle teleop, okay. So it will give you a different connections because it controls the robot, okay. So you can check it with yourself. So I hope guys this video helps you a lot. Now what we have learned, or node, okay, which is a program that perform a single function in robot system. Then you start the node using ROS2 run, then you use ROS2 node list to see all running nodes, which is helpful to track of complex system. Then we have learned about the information of specific node, which is it gives to learn what topic, services and action each node is involved in. Then remapping, which lets you rename nodes or change topic or services names at runtime. So these tools give you insight into the ROS2 graph, which is the network of nodes and their communication. So understanding this is key to building and you can just go with further if you understand the node. Now that you know how to find and explore nodes, the next tutorial will focus on topics. So the channels nodes used to send and receive the data. Okay, so stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.